Stop eating junk. Boost your health with these 10 superfruits instead. First up, blueberries. Packed with antioxidants, they're a brain booster. Next, bananas. They're loaded with potassium, great for your heart. Oranges are up next. Vitamin C powerhouses, perfect for your immune system. Apples, anyone? They keep your lungs in tip-top shape. Spin that globe to pomegranates, full of antioxidants. They support your blood flow. Don't forget kiwis. They're tiny, but mighty for your digestion. Pineapples are a game changer, packed with bromelain for joint health. Grapes, especially red ones, are heart heroes with resveratrol. Watermelon is a summer fave and super hydrating, great for your kidneys. Finally, avocados. Yes, they're fruits. They're loaded with healthy fats for brain health. There you have it. 10 fruits to keep you feeling fantastic. Start munching and boost your health today. Cheers to wellness, folks.